Hello and welcome to my demonstration for Project 3. As you can see, here's my game. It already started, so I'm losing points, but basically I'll just explain a bit. Basically, you've got this circular area. I had this kind of grass texture, and there's also, some clouds and stuff that I used with a skybox. And I also added a texture under this gun. Alright, so if I restart this here, basically the game starts, these balls fall from the sky. Oh, I missed that one. And if you hit one, you gain 100 points. But as you saw earlier, if I miss it and it falls all the way and hits the ground, then you lose that score. Oh, I missed that one. As you can see, the ray tracing, the ray works when the ray connects with the ball, it changes color. And then in addition, you can shoot this cannon, and the sphere is not going to disappear unless the cannonball makes contact with the sphere that is falling. So that's pretty much it, and thanks for watching.